Choosing the perfect domain name doesn't have to be daunting. Start by listing keywords that represent your business, focusing on what makes it unique. Next, combine these ideas to brainstorm several options. Make sure to evaluate each suggestion for clarity and ease of spelling. Once you have a few favorites, run them by friends or colleagues to gather feedback. Their insights might spark new ideas or help refine your choices. Finally, get ready to register the name that resonates most with you and your audience. Once you've honed in on your favorites and received valuable input, it's time to check their availability. Head over to a domain registrar and enter your chosen names to see if they're up for grabs. If one or more options are available, consider the long-term potential of each. Ask yourself how well they align with your brand vision and future goals. If a desired name is taken, don't be discouraged. Think creatively and explore variations or alternative extensions that still capture your essence. Adapting your ideas now can lead you to discover the perfect domain that aligns with both your business and your ambitions. Now that you have your ideas set, consider how your chosen domain name will sound in marketing materials. Visualize it on a business card or a social media profile. Would it stand out? Would it grab attention? A name that flows well and is visually appealing can make a significant difference in attracting visitors. Remember, first impressions matter, especially in the digital world. Emphasize what makes your business special through this name. By doing so, you strengthen your online presence and pave the way for building lasting relationships with customers who resonate with your brand's identity. Once you've selected that ideal name, it's time to officially secure it. Go through the registration process, ensuring you follow all necessary steps. Keep in mind, your domain is more than just a web address, it's your online identity. Now that you've secured your domain, focus on creating compelling content that reflects your brand's story and values. Engaging material can keep visitors coming back, ensuring that your online presence not only attracts attention but also builds a loyal audience. Always remember, your domain is just the start of your digital journey.